Hi guys, welcome to Business Map Kitchen. Today I'll be making some Jamaican Chinese chow mein. Here I have my chicken breast, which is already seasoned. I've washed it with some vinegar and lime, cut, and I season it with some chicken season, all-purpose, and some black pepper. Over here I have my Pok Choy, my carrot, my sweet pepper, and some string beans, which has already been washed in some salt water. I have my onion, my garlic, and my Scotch Bonnet Pepper. All those I'll be using in my chicken chow mein today. Here is my noodle that I'll also be using. Over here I have my water that I'm boiling to add my noodle. I put a little salt in there and it's waiting for it to boil so that I can add the noodles. So let's get started. I'm going to be cutting my Pok Choy in some big sizes because you know you don't want the vegetables to be overcooked. So you chop your Pok Choy. So I'm going to be cutting in some big sizes. Guys, you can add whatever you would like to your chow mein. It's my choice of adding whatever vegetable I have. These are the vegetables that I have today in my fridge, so these are the vegetables that I'll be using. This pepper is really hot, so just using a small amount. Guys, I've already prepped everything. So the vegetable over here, this is the garlic, sweet pepper, hot pepper, and the onion. Over here I have some carrot, the string bean, and the Pok Choy, and the chicken is already marinated and is ready. I'm going to also be adding some scallion to this, alright, and then I'll start preparing the chicken. Now guys, I'm going to be preparing the chicken. So now I have some oil in the pot and the oil is already hot, so I'm going to be adding the chicken. I'm going to leave the chicken to brown for about 5 minutes. adding my noodles to my boiling water. So I've added some olive oil to the boiling water so that the noodles don't stick together. I'm going to be leaving the noodles to boil for about 2 to 3 minutes. Alright? Guys, now the noodles are ready, so I'm going to be straining it and running it under some cold water. Alright? So guys, now I'm going to be leaving my noodles until I am ready to add them to the chicken, alright? So the noodles are going to be cooling over there. So guys, here's my chicken. It's beginning to brown, so I'm going to add a little browning to this. I'm going to add a little browning and I'm going to be adding the carrots. So I'm adding the carrots and I'm going to add a little browning to my chicken. Guys, I'm going to be leaving this again for another 2 minutes, but this time I'm going to be covering my chicken. Alright? Alright guys, so now I'm going to be adding my onions, my sweet pepper, garlic, scallion and pepper to the pot. And I'm going to leave this again for another 2 minutes. This is looking colorful and nice. Guys, I'm also adding some fish and meat sauce, some soy sauce, sorry. What I'll be doing now, guys, I'm going to be taking this off and I'm going to be removing it from this pot, and I'm going to use the same pot to steam or to blanch my pok choy and my string bean. So I'm going to be removing the pot and I'm going to be adding the meat to another pot, and I'm going to use this same pot to steam my pok choy and string bean. Alright? I've removed the chicken and the vegetables from the pot, so I'm going to be steaming my pok choy and string bean in the same pot, and then I'll add back my chicken and the noodles. Alright? I'm going to be adding to this some black pepper and a onion and garlic bouillon. So I'm gonna let this steam for about 3 minutes, and then I'll add everything together. Alright? So I'm gonna cover and let it steam for about 3 minutes. Now guys, I'm gonna be adding back the chicken to the vegetable, and I'm also going to be adding the noodles, and I'm going to stir everything together. As you can see, this is really delicious. Guys, I'm going to be adding this to a bigger pot because I want to add everything now. So I'm going to be adding the noodles, so I'm transferring this to a pot that is bigger. Alright. So now I'm adding the noodles. So I'm adding the noodles gradually because I don't want to add too much noodles and then it overpowers the vegetable and the chicken. So as I mix, I'll add the noodles gradually. I'm going to be turning down the flame. Burn. Some more noodles. I'm going to be adding just a little more soy sauce. Just a little more black pepper. Stir this and leave for about a minute so that everything can combine together. Now guys, this is the complete product of my Jamaican chicken Chinese chow mein. Hope you like it, and I hope you'll try it. I'm going to enjoy mine now. Alright, thanks for watching.